Hey y'all, welcome to a new video. My name is Mika. For those who are new, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So I'm getting ready to cook a late lunch, early dinner. I decided I want to show y'all like how I've been loving my salmon lately. So my boyfriend kind of introduced me to a new way to cook my salmon, and he usually use like, he makes the sauce himself, but no, I like to do like something quick and easy. I don't like buy like a whole bunch of ingredients and stuff. So I want to show y'all how I been making my salmon lately, and I've been liking it in like salmon bites. So first I cut up the salmon. I already did that, but I'm gonna show y'all. All right, so this is a salmon. I already cut it up in bite-sized pieces. So next I'm gonna go ahead and season up